Welcome to watch the video of VMC-5040P CNC video mirroring machine provided by Mikrosize, a precision instrument manufacturer. The VMC-5040P video mirroring machine is a high-precision, high-efficiency photoelectric mirroring instrument composed of precision mechanical structures such as a high-resolution CCD color camera, a continuous zoom objective lens, a Ranisher probe, a color display, a video crochet generator, a precision optical scale, a multifunctional data processor, two-dimensional measurement software, and a high-precision worktable, equipped with a 0.7 to 4.5x manual zoom lens. It features convenient operation, faster response, and improved measurement efficiency. Its wide zoom range can meet the focal length requirements for mirroring objects of different sizes and details, and it delivers high imaging quality. The matched Ranisher probe boasts ultra-high precision, stable and sensitive triggering, strong adaptability, durability, and easy operation. The bottom light source is an LED transmitted parallel light source with 256 level adjustable brightness. It offers high stability and consistency, which can clearly outline the contour of the measured object. Additionally, it has a long service life and low energy consumption, capable of reducing measurement errors caused by light source changes. The VMC-5040P video mirroring machine has a reasonable spatial layout, facilitating users to place workpieces for measurement. The computer software control ensures quick and accurate responses. It is equipped with a control handle that controls the movement of worktable and the Z-axis, allowing users to conveniently perform three-dimensional measurement of workpieces with the probe. The handle enables stable movement and provides accurate values. Equipped with Mikrosize CNC three-dimensional measurement software, the software has rich functions and supports the measurement of various geometric elements, including points, lines, circles, arcs, ellipses, rectangles, The probe measurement function using the software is simple and convenient to operate. It also supports the measurement of various geometric elements, as well as the measurement of three-dimensional elements data that cannot be measured by ordinary video mirroring machines. For more information of Mikrosize products, please check on our website www.mikrosize.com.